Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, continuing on with the next step in which we need to take. So in the last one, we got the attributes initializing, and if we go ahead and open it up, we can see that. But if you'll notice, our max stamina is at 250, our vital stamina is at 100. Now, obviously, we would want this to automatically initialize at 250, but I don't have that initialized. That way, you can verify that that the regeneration stuff is working. So that just means that there's one step that has been missed, and it's very easy to miss. And the reason why it's there is to make this whole thing more performant, meaning it only my regeneration subsystem only looks for and interacts with actors that have its component. So, if we just start typing regeneration, we'll get the WC gas auto regeneration. And then once it's there, we can hit compile. And if we take a look inside the settings here, auto find ability system component. So it's going to search for the system component itself. If you're wanting it to find it later, you can always do so in Blueprint and make that filter off. Attribute filters. Filter which attributes get regeneration applied. If empty, all attributes with regeneration type will be put here. If specified, only attributes matching these tags will regenerate. This way, if you have a mage who does absolutely nothing with stamina, you don't need stamina regeneration, do you? So you can save on a little bit of performance by having that turned off. Apply on begin play. Again, if you're wanting it to where they unlock regeneration over time, then this would obviously be off by default, but the gameplay effect would be made and ready for you to use when they unlock it. And then, of course, some debug options. All the debug stuff will get moved eventually into the settings. So if we hit, we have it on there. We go ahead and we hit play. We are going to see regeneration. Look at that. Stamina's already done for you. All you had to do was set up the attributes and then put on the component. And now it's regenerating for you. Somewhere in here, mana is doing it as well. So perfect. That is all that you need to know about that component. It's literally that simple. It literally does absolutely nothing else. It does use this same interface. If it can find it this way, then it'll do it. Otherwise, it'll do it the third default way, because it tries in 3 different ways, just like the other one. So thank you guys so much for watching. And in the next one, we will touch on the debug stuff.